Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open biometrics and security, and here you'll notice fingerprints. Smoothly click on this tab and now select continue. At first you have to select some backup pattern, PIN code or the password. So let me choose pattern, it can be L letter, tap on continue, then redraw it to confirm, tap on confirm, and that's it. And now you have to scan your fingerprint. You've got the sensor on the right edge of your phone right here, so just tap here with whichever finger you would like to add. As you can see, this sensor is pretty good, so it is scanning pretty quickly. Make sure to add all the edges of your fingerprint. Tap on continue now. And as you can see, your fingerprint has been added. Just click on done. And from now on you will be able to, let me switch it off, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So let me show you. Just tap here on the sensor, and as you can see, the device has been unlocked, but also you can use this backup pattern. So smoothly unlock it and then draw the unlock pattern to open your Samsung Galaxy Fold. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.